People are making thousands of dollars on Facebook using content that they didn't even create. It sounds illegal, right? It's not. If you can do it in the right way, you can make such money. In today's video, I'm going to show you the practical step on how to use people's content on Facebook without violating Facebook monetization guideline. If your page is monetized, but if your page is not monetized, don't worry, you can also post those videos and Facebook will invite you to their monetization program. So if you are ready, come on, let's go. What I'll do now is to search on street photography. Then I'll type street photography. So that is the niche that I am posting my content. You can choose any niche you want to post your content. Me, I'm taking photography because I love photography. So what I'm doing is to type street photography. So once I type street photography, I see a lot of videos. I love this video. So what will I do? I'll copy the link, then I move to my Chrome. I can say TikTok downloader. So I see this and I'll paste my link here. Okay, download without watermark. So look at the video. I'm done downloading. So this is it. After I've downloaded my video, I will take it to my editing suite. So after that, then I will upload. So let me show you how I edited the video. Come on, let's go.
So all I need to do now is to import my video. So the reason I'm working on this video is I want to change it. I want to alter the original content. So all I need to do now is to take off some part of the video and look at it. So I take that off. So look at it. I take it off. So this is another side that I will take off. I'll trim off. The essence is this: I am altering the video to give me the originality so that when I post, this particular content will not be copyrighted. So I move to the ending part, then I copy the ending part, I put it on the front. The essence is to captivate people to watch the whole video. So this is it. Look at it. When I play it from here, it captures people's mind. You know, this now will keep people to watch the entire video. So after that, I will export the video. Now remember that when I'm exporting, you need to rename your video to the caption you want to use for it. So street photography featuring a beautiful girl. Then I export. So when I export, then I now move to my Facebook page. Now this is my Facebook page. I'm trying to upload the video. Remember, I have copied my caption that I renamed when I was saving. Then what I will do now is to paste the caption on my title. I'll still come back again and post it and paste it on my description. So note that when the video is uploading, you can add your hashtags, street photography. This is it. Hashtag caption moment. Hashtag FYP challenge. Hashtag viral reels challenge. Viral reels video. Hashtag viral reel videos. Hashtag explore page. So and so on and so forth. Now the video is still uploading. So this is the most important part. Now once the video has been uploaded, don't just rush and post the video. Wait for the copyright checker. It will check whether your video is copyrighted or not. If it's copyrighted, you take your video back and re-edit it again. Or if it's not copyrighted, then you can post. Now look at it. The copyright content was not detected on your video. But before I share my video, I will check my playlist to add this video. Check my playlist. Look at this, street photography with stranger. I have added it. Now come to my group also. Then I will tick 3 groups that I can share my videos to. Then I can share. So that is how it's being done. So if your page is monetized, you can start doing it like this. So at the end of the day, you see your revenues coming in.
Now, with this strategy, if your page is monetized, you can make serious money without violating Facebook monetization guideline. If you know this video has been helpful, please smash the like button, turn on the notification bell so that when I post next video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you and God bless you. Bye for now.